Thank you, sir. Thank you
Yes,
very
sir.
much, sir.
Next is attitude. Now, attitude is very important. Like generally, like that is one thing that industry looks at very, very closely. Now look at these two people, one on the left, one on the right. Tell me which is the guy you would like to work with.
Right.
Just ask, raise hands for right. Raise hands and please give me the number count. And those who will like to work with the person on the left. So basically, your attitudes defines what you will be able to accomplish. Because your attitude also defines whether you have the courage to take up challenges. There are 100 people here, and when somebody is asking that, okay, who will take up this job, he is willing to take it. That one guy in white. That is something, that is attitude, because he thinks that he can do it. Now, the sometimes it happens that okay, you may not be able to deliver entirely, fully well and all that. But the thing is that you had the courage to take it up itself counts for something. So industry looks for a positive attitude, people who are willing to take up challenges. Now, when we like this is again a interview kind of thing that when we are talking to people in interviews and all that in IT setups, lot of times you may not get the people with the right exact match of the technology because in IT the number of technology is huge, absolutely impossible to count. So getting the exact match of a person with the right technology thing is sometimes very difficult, or if not difficult, then very expensive. So what we do is look at the attitude of the person, whether he is willing to learn or not. Because sometimes, like I told you in earlier this thing also, that you don't know, you say no. Okay, you remember I said earlier in communication part. If you don't know, you say no. But if you know something about it, you give them okay. This is based on this concept, and possibly it may be related to it. The purpose
Yes,
of
sir.
that is if you do that, then the person who is talking to you, you may have an idea. Okay, this guy is at least conceptually he is clear as to what is to be done, right? And he has the right attitude that he is trying to attempt. If it is possible, that he will be able to deliver. Lot of times we call this based on these attitude only. We take people on board, and sometimes they do very well. So it is the attitude that matters, like positive attitude that okay, I'm willing to work and I'll 100% sure that I'll be able to. But sometime I'll need some time, but I'll definitely do it. That is something that industry very well looks forward to, especially in non-IT. Non-IT industry.
Sir, may I put here one movie scene?
हाँ
Sir, in Three Idiots movie, after the accident, the Sarman Joshi has interviewed for his job,
हाँ
and they have been asked the questions. And after the finishing the interviewer asked
हाँ नहीं remember. I think वो विवेक
asked
वासवानी था ना, क्या
that
नाम था?
please, Sarman Joshi has said to interviewers that please keep your job with you, and I'll keep my attitude with me.
हम्म.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, but that is an extreme. That is a movie situation. वैसे तो नहीं करना है. But the thing is, generally, what I'm
Yes,
telling
yes, sir. But
one
attitude matters.
attitude matters. Like वो attitude को हम हिंदी में भाव भी बोलते हैं ना. तो वो कह सकते हैं बहुत भाव
Yes,
खा रहा
sir.
है.
Yes, sir.
तो भाव खाना नहीं है. भाव नहीं खाना है.
Yes,
Attitude means you should have a positive, something positive
yes,
to provide
yes,
to the person you are sitting across. So
yes, sir.
attitude क्या है कि माने you are willing to learn, you are willing to take an attempt and make it a success. Because without that attitude, lot of things that have happened in science would not have ever happened. And people with very strong positive attitude, positive thinking, succeed very much in the industry. Because I was talking to somebody the other day, yesterday or a couple of days back only, that and I have also faced the situation. From the moment you join in casual, in fact, like it happens in college also, we call it politics. But politics is basically somebody trying to pull you down, and you continuously trying to achieve what you have set your focus on. So that is something that we call positivity, because negativity will always come for you. People will come and attack you. You have to think straight. You have to make your target and focus on it, and start working on that. Don't think too much about what people are doing, what people are criticizing you for. People will keep, even if you do 100 things correct, somebody will find faults in you. So you have to start, basically, that is something that you should start doing now, like students and all, and trying to filter out all the negativity that is being thrown. Because the more negative thoughts you listen to, the chances are that you will basically will erode your value internally also. Just whatever people tell you, you think that okay, I am doing right. Go ahead. So that positive attitude is very important. So yesterday also I was talking to somebody that how to remain positive when so much muck is being thrown up. But that is something that great leaders have. That great leaders have that attitude. That whatever people say about them, they have their path chosen and they go on that path only. So how does a positive outlook translate? So if you are given a positive case, suppose you are given a problem solving, that this machine or this code is not working correctly, or the software is not delivering the way it is supposed to deliver, or the foundation is not laid properly, whatever thing, X, Y, Z problem. Now, how you actually start looking at the problem is something that is attitude. Are you looking to solve the problem, or are you only trying to find what is wrong? See, if you only are trying to find what is wrong, there are 20 other people who can do better job than you. You're not required to find faults. The thing is, the faults that you find, or the problems you have found, or the whatever anomalies you have found, are you now looking to provide solutions to them so that they can be taken care of? So that is the attitude that industry requires. Just telling, sir, I know this happened because of this. Okay, goodbye. That any lot of people can tell the same thing. Why do you need the engineer for that? If you're engineer, you will say that this is what has happened. And I think we may probably, if you do it like this, it is a possibility that it may come out correct. So that is Are you looking for solutions or possibilities, or just looking for excuses? This is happened, बताओ. And this is where the negative feedback also when I was talking करते कि आपने coding करने दिया, he has totally done this thing, now it is the whole problem. Lot of times you will face this thing with doctors also. When you go to a doctor, he'll say, oh, where were you? Sir, I had gone to that doctor. Oh, पूरा केस बिगाड़ दिया इन्होंने. Government, nothing is wrong. So that is what I say, have a positive attitude. Look for solutions. Solution oriented. If your approach is solution oriented, you will rise very much in a life. Wherever you go, where you will succeed. But if you only look for problems and think that okay ये प्रॉब्लम हो गई अब तो मैं कुछ कर भी नहीं सकता मैं क्या करूँगा ठीक है so that is why industry looks leaders who are